The Maccabiah is every 4-year event. It's the third largest sporting event outside of the World Cup and the Olympics. The Maccabi was originally founded out of anti-Semitism and post-Holocaust. And the motto is finding Jewish identity and unity through sports. There was literally 10,000 athletes. I believe over 200 countries were represented. It's an incredible thing, and to see the whole environment, but it's just fun to be part of. There's a high level of camaraderie, being of one faith, but it's competitive. It's about the sports as well.
1, 2, 3, USA!
The team had not met each other or trained together, so we went to Tel Aviv and we did a training camp in something they called Israel Connect, where we toured the country and saw some of the most incredible monuments, the Dead Sea, etc., Jerusalem. And then we convened in Haifa for the games. And what I quickly learned is international competition brings a whole nother level of energy, competitiveness, sometimes aggressiveness. The first thing I said to him is, we know you guys know how to play. We also know you guys don't know how to play together. So everything we did in training was focused on communication, possession, things that would bode well for the teams we were competing against. So we knew that we had quality, top-notch players, but that we were at a disadvantage because we needed to get them on the same page. The excitement when a player scores a goal wearing their high school jersey, there's a different level of energy and a little of excitement. When a kid scores a goal in an international game wearing a U.S. jersey, to be part of the excitement that those boys felt, it was special to be part of. I think every kid was tremendously impacted. They're 16-year-old boys, so they leave the Holocaust Museum. I think that's an experience that you'll never forget. You walk through Old Jerusalem and you just think about the history and learn about the history. It was the experience of a lifetime. Maccabi brought in a Holocaust survivor. She was, I believe, 88 years old. Mind was as crisp as could be, and she had survived concentration camps, extermination camps. She had lost her whole family. It was so personal that words can't describe the impact it had on me, and I'm sure everybody else there. It's a beautiful thing in that she was a happy person, and it made her so happy to talk to so many young, healthy Jewish kids that it's something I'll never forget. You definitely feel much more connected with each other and with your faith, and you understand the importance of Israel. And that's clearly one of the objectives, is to keep that connection between the U.S. and other countries in Israel. The impact of that is kind of special, and I think that was very valuable to me as a coach, but I believe it's for the players as well.